Hello children, today we are going to do lesson 16 local self-government video part 2. Hello children, in the previous video we saw the local self-government at rural area. Now we will see at Taluka level and Jilla Parishad and their formation. At Taluka Panchayat, it is the second level of the Gram Panchayat. There are minimum 16 and maximum 32 elected members in Taluka Panchayat. Voters of these seats elect the members of Taluka Panchayat. Various committees are set up by these elected members, both in Taluka Panchayat as well as Zilla Parishad. And those committees are like Executive Committee, Social Justice Committee, Education Committee. President and Vice President of Taluka Panchayat are selected by elected members on the basis of majority. Now let us see the formation of District Panchayat, that is Zilla Parishad, government at district level. The formation, there are minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in District Panchayat. Number of seats are decided according to the population of district. How much population is there in the district? 50% seats are reserved for women. Concerned voters of the constituency elect their members. President and Vice President are elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Different committees, that as I told you, various committees are set up by these elected members. Executive Committee, Social Justice Committee, Education Committee, Construction Committee, Health Committee are formed with the help of elected members. And the tenure of this Panchayat is of 5 years. Now let us see the administration at Taluka Panchayat and Zilla Parishad. The administrative head of Taluka Panchayat is called the Taluka Development Officer, that is TDO. TDO, that is Taluka Development Officer, gets the resolutions of Taluka Panchayat to be implemented. He supervises all the employees of Taluka Panchayat. Now, the administration at district level. The administrative head of district panchayat is called the district development officer, that is DDO. District panchayat integrates, bring and implements the schemes of the state government. Both TDO and DDO are appointed by the state government. Now let's see the various functions of the Taluka Panchayat. What are the functions of the Taluka Panchayat? To provide health and hygiene service to the Taluka level, to control epidemic, to construct village roads and their maintenance, to establish and manage primary school, to plan to improve agriculture at Taluka level, to provide assistance for women welfare, youth activities and social development, to provide help at the time of flood, fire and other emergencies. Now let us see the functions of Zilla Parishad. District Panchayat looks after the work of Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat. Manages and controls revenue, education, irrigation. District health officers, district primary education officers, district agriculture officers, district social welfare officers, deputy executive engineer are in charge of district panchayat. They look after this revenue, education and irrigation facilities. In your textbook, children, they have given various yojana, the schemes that the government implements, either the state government or the central government. Let us see this Tirth Gram Yojana. It is the scheme implemented on 21st July 2004-5 in Gujarat. State government allocates grant to selected villages under this scheme. Grant, they give money to the villages. No, but when they give this money or grant to the villages, when no crime should have happened in the village for the last 5 years. No crime should have happened, right? Production, selling and consumption of narcotic drugs should not be done in the village. Cleanliness should be maintained. There should be high rate of girl education and lower rate of dropouts. Apart from this, Tirth Gram is chosen on the basis of other criteria. There are various criteria. The following are the areas which would be encouraged by this plan. What is that? Brotherhood, social goodwill, peace, overall development of the village, commencement of the plan. In this Gram Yojana, actually this objective of Tirth Gram Yojana is to promote mutual harmony, that is brotherhood, unity, right? Social goodwill, peace. So this is the main purpose of implementing this various schemes. There is other. Now let us see what is urban administration. Children, just local self-government is at rural areas, it is also at the urban areas. Let us understand in brief. Children, depending upon the size of a town or city, urban local self-government are formed. Suppose there are very small towns, then the government works as a city councils or nagar panchayat. Small towns. If it is a small city, then municipal councils or nagar palikas are formed. And if they are big cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Chennai, municipal corporations or Mahanagar Nigams are formed. There are some 8 corporations, 8 to 9 corporations in Gujarat. Same way, here also their administration, formation and their functions. How are they formed? Depending upon the size and the population of the city. President and vice president are elected by the elected members. The president is the head of the elected members. Their tenure is 2.5 years, right? Same way, they are in corporations, they are appointed by the state government. Administrations like the head of the municipality is considered as the chief officer. He is appointed by the state government. Both in municipal councils, municipal corporations, they are appointed by the state governments. Various functions same, looking after the water management, road management, disposal of wastewater, right? Health and hygiene, sanitation, primary education, street lights, playgrounds, gardens. All these are the important functions that this city councils or nagar panchayat, municipal councils or nagar palikas, municipal corporations or mahanagar nigam have to maintain in their cities. As we saw that at Zilla Parishad and at Taluka level, various committees are formed. Let us study about the Social Justice Committee. The Social Justice Committee is responsible for creating and implementing the schemes so that weaker section of society can get education, health, social and economical facilities. The formation of Social Justice Committee is compulsory at all 3 levels of Panchayat Raj. This committee is made up of 5 members at the level of Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat. Now let us see the role of the District Collector. Children, role of the District Collector is very important in Panchayati Raj. He coordinates and manages the work of all departments at district level. Collector is the secretary of District Planning Committee, which is responsible for the development of entire district. He determines the number of members of the Gram Panchayat, allots the reserved seats in the Gram Panchayat. He determines to reserve the position of Sarpanch for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, socially and educationally backward class and women. Now let us see what is the role of Mamlatdar. Mamlatdar is the administrative head of Taluka level. Her selection is done through the examination or promotion conducted by the State Public Service Commission, GPSC. If you want to work in the government department of Gujarat, you have to give GPSC. And if you want to be IAS, IPS, then you have to give UPSC. Mamlatdar is the revenue head of taluka, which is made up of an average group of 50 villagers or more. As an executive magistrate, he is directly responsible to the collector for the maintenance of law and order. He prepares voter lists for the election of local self-government, conducts elections, provides various types of certificates, manages and controls midday meals, relief operations at the time of natural disaster. The institution of Lok Adalat in India, as the very name suggests, means people's court. Lok stands for people and the term Adalat means court. India has a long tradition and history of such methods being practiced in the society at grassroots level. Lok Adalats are best options to solve disputes. Long-term cases are resolved in such a way that no one loses or no one wins. A permanent Lok Adalat has been established in the districts of the state Gujarat. Thank you, children.